Hi, and welcome to the Planning Tool Zoom integration tutorial. In this video, I'm going to talk about how to use the newly integrated Zoom feature with the Planning Tool. There's two ways to get to the Zoom screen. First, you will can choose the Zoom icon, and also you can go to Create Tasks and choose the Zoom meeting. You can create a new meeting by choosing the Create New Meeting button. Give it a title. Choose the agenda. Here you will see a list of all of your members in your program or organization. You can choose one, or you can leave it blank to send it to everybody. I'll add one member here. This option asks if you want to invite your assistant directors or your other admin users, and if you want to invite their parents to. Here you can choose the type: instant meeting or scheduled meeting. Start date, we'll choose the 8th number. And then you can choose the time, do 9:45 a.m. Your video options. This option asks if you want to place this meeting on the Planning Tool calendar. Choose yes. And when you choose Create Meetings, choose the Create button, it will trigger an email notification sending the invite to the participant, the admin users, and their parents if you select it. I'll choose Create, and you'll see the meeting is here. Now it gives you three options: start, send reminder, or you can delete the meeting. After the meeting date and time has passed, it will automatically fall off. Here you'll see an option that says Meetings by Administrator. That's if someone, one of your administrators, have set a meeting for you or your members, and you can access those meetings. Currently, there are none. Choose back to your meetings and take it. When initially signing up for the Zoom option, Planning Tool will automatically link the email account used to sign into the Planning Tool with any Zoom account that's associated with that email address. If you do not have an email address, a Zoom account associated with that email address, the Planning Tool will create an account in Zoom. We'll get an email notification asking you to activate the account. Once it's activated, then you can begin. As always, if you have any questions, press an email at support Planning Tool app.